And so, according to the Sumerian mythology, Anunnaki are believed to be the descendants of An, god of the heaven, and Ki, the goddess of the earth. So, Mesopotamia, which is the present-day Iraq, the ancient Sumer, which wasn't a country, was a collection of city-states, each with its own king. Sumer means the land of the black-headed people. It was also referred to as the land of the civilized kings by the Akkadians, who occupied the northern region of Sumer. And so Mesopotamia means the land between two rivers. That is the river Tigris to the north and river Euphrates to the south. And so the land of Mesopotamia experienced heavy floods, which made the area very fertile due to silk, and this allowed for a well-developed agricultural system. And so, according to the myth, came from the planet Nibiru, which passes close to Earth every 3,600 years. And they were sent here Earth in search of cold to reverse the effect of their planet, which was in the verge of collapsing. Nibiru was the home planet of the Anunnaki, who were experiencing difficulty during that time because of the climate and the atmosphere of the planet was changing, making it very difficult to produce food and therefore to survive. So it was necessary to use advanced method of technology to reverse this situation. And so to do this, large amount of coal was needed, since this metal has a purifying property capable of resisting even the cosmic radiation. The earth at that time was inhabited by wild animals, such as the mammoth, zebra, tigers, and some apes. And so the Anunnaki settled in Mesopotamia and built a wonderful city called the Eridu. They created a garden and named it Eden, which was the first favorite place of the Anunnaki gods. So soon after they arrived, coal extraction began. And to do this, they brought with them another alien race called the Igigi. And after years of forced labor and humiliation, the Igigi people rebelled against the Anunnaki, giving rise to the first war on Earth. The Igigi was defeated. The Anunnaki gods needed to continue coal extraction on Earth, so they created the first human race on Earth. The Anunnaki created the first human being named Adam by combining their genes with the ancestors of human being, that is the Homo sapiens. And so they created an hybrid and a submissive race at their command. So the Anunnaki taught the human beings advanced mathematics and some form of writing, which came to be known as the cuneiforms. And so this genetic fusion between the genes of the Anunnaki and the ancestors of the human beings led to the rise of the strange beings called the giants, what we call the Nephilims, which, although they were extraordinarily strong, they were devoid of intelligence and self-control. The Igigi were the younger gods who were servants of the Anunnaki until they rebelled and were replaced by the creation of human beings. They were half human and half animals. The workers were semi-intelligent. It is their spirit then that a modern man call demons, or those who were never human beings.